Hi children, welcome back in our online English classes. Dear student, I hope you all are fine and enjoying watching videos. Keep watching our videos regularly and study regularly. Students, in our previous video, we have finished the lesson, The Man Who Killed My Dog 2.3. Students, question answers remain. Some grammatical parts and order between the blanks and antonyms we have completed in previous video, homophones also. So let's see the question answers. Question number 3. Answer this question briefly. So here questions are given. We have to find out their answers. Students, I have made already the answers. I will show you. Okay, let's discuss on the question answers. So here the question is here. Answer this question briefly. First question is there, what do you mean by a hit and run driver? So we have learned about the hit and run driver. Joseph wrote in his letter about the driver that he was a hit and run driver. So what it is meaning. So answer downside I have written, students. Let's see. You can pause video and take screenshot of this answer. Okay. First answer is a driver who hits someone while driving. Okay, but never stops to help the victim is called a hit and run driver. So driver who hit and run. Okay, while driving he hit someone and run. Don't stop there. That drivers are known as hit and run driver. Okay. Second question: who writes this letter and to whom? So you just think the answer. What should be the answer? Who writes this letter and to whom? So as we all know that answer is here. Richard Joseph writes this letter to hit and run driver. So the owner of the dog is Richard Joseph and he wrote this letter to the hit and run driver. Okay. Now third question. What could have helped to make Joseph feel a little better? So what would happen is, what should be there if Joseph thinks, so he maybe feel better. So what is that? Okay, what could have helped to make Joseph feel a little better? So in his letter he has written that line, Joseph would have felt better if he could have imagined that the driver was a doctor and was rushing somewhere to ease someone's pain. If the hit and run driver was a doctor, if he was going somewhere to treat his patient, then it would help to decrease his sorrow, or it would help to make Joseph feel little better. Fourth question is there, students. How can you say that the driver of the car was a heartless person? So do we know that the driver was a heartless person? Yes, he was a heartless person. He did not stop. He had seen the dog and he listened to the yelp and scream of the lady. But then also he didn't stop. It means he is a heartless person. So let's see what is its answer. The driver's car ran over little dog and killed it. But the driver didn't even look around to see what he had done. Thus, he was a heartless person. Now, fifth question. Why do you think the driver jumped on the accelerator? So, we know that when he stopped first on 10, means when he listened the thumb, when he listened the L and the screen, so he jumped on the accelerator and ran away. So why? What do we think? So its answer is there. I will take this page aside. Watch carefully. So answer of the fifth question is, the driver jumped on the accelerator, escaped the wrath of the dog's owner. Okay. So why? To escape the wrath of the dog's owner. Means he was thinking that dog's owner will become angry on me. Wrath means anger. Okay, wrath means anger. So maybe the owner is Joseph. Richard Joseph will be angry, and now he can means if he stopped there, the driver stopped. So he has to tolerate the anger of Richard. So that's why he escaped from that place. Okay. Now the sixth question is there. How can you say that the driver knew he had run his car over a dog? Okay. So what is its answer? Let's see. The driver felt the thump when his car ran over the dog, and he heard the dog's yelp and also the scream of a lady. Thus he knew clearly what had happened. Means the driver knew very well what had happened because he felt the thump, and again he heard the dog's yelp as well as the scream of the lady, and that's why he knew clearly what had happened, and so he jumped on accelerator and ran away from there. And the last question of question 3, last question, that question number 7. How does Joseph describe his dog? So the following lines which describe the dog we have to mention here in our answer. So let's see the answer. Joseph gives a touching description of his dog. It was a she. She means female dog. It was a female dog, Windy. He had named her Windy. She was 6 months old and she had a lovely white coat with brown and black markings. She was of a very high breed. She loved people and children and other dogs. So in this way, Joseph has described the dog in his letter. Students, you pause the video and take screenshot. Okay, these are the answers of first to 7. Okay, then now we have to solve next question, that is from the poem 2.4, the rescue. Okay, we have learned the poem rescue 2.4. So we have to complete these question answers in our next video.